Alright guys, in this one I'm going to talk about the MTM PF22.2 foam cannon. You have your foam adjustment up top for less foam or more foam. This is a 1/4 inch pressure washer attachment. This back portion here is your fan angle, so you can have a vertical fan or a horizontal fan. And then this selection is for a wide angle on your fan or basically a straight stream. Open like that is pretty much a straight stream. And then closed like this is going to give you a nice wide angle for vehicle coverage. On the head here it says it's rated for 5,000 psi and 140 Fahrenheit, patent pending. Supposedly one of the best foam cannons on the market. And then you do have dilution markings in milliliters.
Getting hype when I aim up, elevating that game up, stepping up to the competition. Only first place, yeah, that's how I'm living. I'm with it till they digging up my grave, eating all the things up on my plate. Game face when I step up into place. I was born and when I watched me elevate. All in when I show up, whole place about to blow up. Superior to that competition. I'm in first place, yeah, that's how I'm living. I'm with it till they digging up my grave, eating all the things up on my plate. Game face when I step up into place. I was born and when I watched me elevate.
Still maintaining hydrophobic properties on the last coat's Ceratrim. I didn't break out a wash mitt or anything, so this is definitely still a little bit dirty, but look at the bead action we got going on. That's way healthier trim than I had before. So you might be thinking to yourself, why do I even need a foam cannon? Personally, I enjoy the benefit of it providing more time so I can get around the vehicle, scrub specific areas, and use brushes on some of the more intricate details. The purpose of the foam is to suspend any dirt or debris so that it can come off the paint without leaving behind any scratch marks in the washing process. I mean, truthfully, you really don't need one, but if you want your car to be taken care of as good as possible like I do, then you may want to look into one. Having tested out the MTM foam cannon for myself, I would definitely say it's awesome and I'd recommend it. If you guys have any foam recommendations that you like using in your foam cannons, I'm open to suggestions because honestly I'm new to this.